Hi, I'm Kimberly. I am going to give you my honest review for the ForStyler Silver Brightening Shampoo. So basically what this does is it says it repairs for blonde and silver hair, and it's enriched with keratin and Brazil nut oil. It's a 500 milliliter bottle, so it's actually a really good size. This is gonna last me for a while. Basically, you're going to use it like regular shampoo. It is a purple shampoo, so I don't know if you've used a purple shampoo before or not, but don't be alarmed. When you see the color of it, you might freak out and be like, oh my gosh, am I dyeing my hair purple now? What's going on? It's a very rich color. I'll show you. Ooh, so pretty. And as you can see, it thins out. And when you add water in your hair, it's not as intense, and it smells great. I could really wear this as a perfume. That's how sick I am with it. So what you do is you're just gonna wash your hair like normal. And it's specifically made for people with blonde or gray or silver hair. And as you know, once you get your hair colored, after a while, it starts to not be the same color it was when you got it done. It starts to get a little brassy, a little orangey. People with silver hair tend to get a lot of yellowness in their hair. And what this does is it neutralizes those tones and it turns it back into what you originally had, which is bright, shiny, more ashy blonde. It's beautiful. I freaking love it. I love purple shampoo, and I've been using purple shampoo for a really long time. It's really important in my routine. So I like to compare different purple shampoos and see what the differences are. So with this, we've got the good smell. That's number one. Number two, what I love about this is that it actually lathers. I have a lot of purple shampoos that you put in your hair and they don't suds up, they don't lather. So I don't know if I've got all the spots or like where it's at, and I kind of then end up using too much of the product. With this, it lathers, it gets sudsy, so your hair actually feels clean all over, and it really doesn't take that much product, honestly. It really spreads out. So I love that about it. Now, a lot of people will say, oh my gosh, sudsing isn't good for your hair, it dries it out, whatever. Not with this, because of the Brazilian nut oil and the keratin. So it's providing you lots of vitamins and nourishment for your hair. It's moisturizing it, and it's keeping it shiny and healthy. I mean, look at the shine in my hair. I can't make this up. So it's really, really great for that. So I went down a deep dive and I was like, what is Brazilian nut oil? I really don't know a lot about it. So basically it has omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E in it, which is gonna help your hair when it's dry and brittle and it breaks. And it's going to rehydrate it, so you're not gonna have all those little pieces that break off. Then the icing on the cake, it also has a vitamin called selenium in it. And what that does is it helps your hair grow. I'm like, oh my gosh, as you know, if you're a color treated person, blonde, your hair just breaks off and it does not grow. So I'm really excited to try this in the long run and see, if I can get my hair back to that healthy state where it can start growing again. So it's nourished it, it's hydrated it, it gives it this really shiny look, still smells great. And you also have the option, you can wash once or you can leave on for a second wash and just leave it on your hair for a couple of minutes to really let that purple take that brassiness out, and you're gonna get a real boost, a real shine. So you can almost use it a little bit as a hair mask in the shower if you wanna get more of the effects of it. This is the ForStyler Silver Brightening Shampoo. I've never tried this line before. They actually make a bunch of different hair products. So I'm really excited to try out the other line. I'm gonna say for now, this is my favorite purple shampoo just because of the smell, the lathering, and the nourishing and the moisturizing, which is huge with purple shampoo. That always will dry your hair out. So this really combats it. I can't say enough about it. 500 milliliter, it's a good size bottle. This is gonna last me a while. So I highly recommend, go out there, try it. It's ForStyler Silver Brightening Shampoo. You and your hair will be so happy.